Today, we are going to talk about the 2026 Suzuki Access 125 scooter, which is expected to enter the market as a stylish, reliable, and budget-friendly option. The design of the 2026 Suzuki Access 125 has been made even more modern and premium. It features sharp body lines, a new LED headlamp, stylish indicators, and attractive color options, making it a perfect choice for both young riders and families. This scooter is powered by a 125 cubic centimeters engine that delivers smooth pickup, strong performance, and excellent fuel efficiency. It is very comfortable and easy to handle, making it ideal for daily use, office commuting, and city riding. In terms of fuel economy, the expected mileage is around 50 to 55 kilometers per liter, which makes it a smart choice for budget-conscious users. Key features include a digital analog instrument cluster, a mobile charging port, a comfortable wide seat, large under-seat storage, and a strong braking system. The suspension system has also been improved, ensuring a smooth and stable ride even on rough roads. Overall, the 2026 Suzuki Access 125 is a complete family scooter that offers the perfect balance of power, style, fuel efficiency, and affordability. If you are looking for a reliable and budget-friendly scooter, this model could be an excellent option.